how to use Coinbase Advanced API feature. So to use this feature, you have to create your API keys through your web browser. Just head to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari, and then enter coinbase.com. Now tap on sign up and then input your credential, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the grid icon in the top right corner and then select developer platform. Then tap on API keys in the top navigation bar, then select create API key. Now you will be prompted for 2FA. Enter a nickname, select a default portfolio and enable view and trade permission. Now tap create. Then to use the API, what you have to do is download the supported automated trading or portfolio app on your mobile device. And then open the mobile app and then navigate to their exchange connection or setup screen. Paste the API key and API secret you generated in step 1 into the designated fields on your mobile app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.